So yesterday I was taking a drive and I passed a ZZ2 farm where I was going. So it was a gravel road in a farm, and then I passed that ZZ2 farm. So one thing that I realized here is that they were busy preparing a field for tomatoes. So one of the mistakes that we did when we were planting our tomatoes that we didn't trellis before, and we also didn't put irrigation first. So one of the things that I noticed yesterday is that when you plant your tomatoes, there are things that goes into place before you actually put your plant in. So looking at this field, they have put in their trellis poles before. So when we're talking about trellis, it's when you actually give your tomatoes a structure of a balance of how you want them to actually be. You don't want to have your tomatoes be touching the ground, and you want to have your fruits touching the ground as well. So another thing is the drip irrigation that they're using. So when you plant your tomatoes, you use a drip irrigation. So one of the things here they did as well is that they put the drip irrigation before they can even plant the tomatoes plants. So these are the mistakes that I actually did when I was planting my tomatoes with my friends on our tomato field. That's why things didn't ended up very well for us, and they also left a space where a tractor can actually move inside the line, because this is a commercial farm. They're gonna be spraying using tractors when they spray. So even between the lines, they've actually made sure that it's enough for actually a tractor to move between those tomato lines. So these are some of the things that I learned while passing here. I didn't speak to anyone who works at the ZZ2 farm. I was just outside and looking at the field, and I noticed that those are some of the mistakes that we did. So guys, next time if you want to try to plant tomatoes, I'm giving you this tip because I saw it from the best farm, which is ZZ2, is that you actually prepare your land and you put everything in place. So planting is the last thing that you do after you have put in your trellis poles. You have also put in on your drip irrigation. So thanks guys for watching Makwala Agri. Let's keep growing the channel. Dango.